Hey guys, welcome back to another video on PoppyShowJA. By the name of the title, you already know that I'm on my way to Jamaica to pay my last respect to my dad. It's not the best time to be traveling, due to the pandemic, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do, right? It's a bit of an emotional roller coaster right now because I'm leaving behind my husband and my children.
It's gonna be okay. We all couldn't go right now with school starting back and the whole COVID thing and the babies and the boys, so I had to stay back so we could get everything situated and get them ready for school. But we'll be there on camera, in spirit and everything.
So I just left and heading to my gate right now. Just having so much mixed feelings because I miss my kids and my husband. But I know I have to do this. I have to pay my last respect. Hopefully once I see my family, I'll start feeling better. But right now, I'm just a lot of mixed emotions, Guys, that is so good. So, I was assigned to the middle seat, right? And I asked the service agent if she could switch my seat to a window seat because I noticed there were a lot of standby passengers on here, right? I'm going to show you how good God is. And so I asked her if she could switch me to the window seat. She told me she will have to charge me. Alright? So I said, okay, never mind if you have to charge me. But I was talking to my husband while I was asking her, and he was saying, honey, don't worry about it. God is good. When you get on that flight, you're going to have a seat, a row all to yourself. And so said, so done. I have the entire row to myself. You can tell me that God is not real. You can tell me that God is not alive. And He lives within me. Yeah? There's no weapons formed against me that will prosper. Amen? Amen. So guys, I'm about to buckle up right now and get ready to take a nap because I am extremely sleepy. Yeah, so I will see you guys in Miami.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and keep all aisles clear of any carry-on items. In an effort to create more space in between customers on board of the aircraft, we will deplane a few rows at a time, starting from the front of the aircraft to the back.
Alright guys, so my first stop here in Miami. I'm gonna try to get some food because I'm extremely hungry. There's still a lot of people here at the airport. Much more than in Dallas. But anyways, Let me go find some food.
Also keep the aisle clear of the park at the gate. After the fasten seatbelt sign has been thrown off, check the pockets, overhead compartments, and closets for your personal belongings. Be careful when opening overhead compartments because falling objects may cause injury to you or someone sitting near you. It's been a real pleasure to serve you today, and we look forward to welcoming you on board another American Airlines flight. Have a wonderful day.
Hey guys, so we are in the country. Those are my soldiers. You know, so big up yourself, Papa Show.
Big up yourself, Papa Show.
Yeah guys, it's been a long day. It's been an interesting day actually, but I made it through and I'm just grateful. It's a whole new process. Yeah, but I'll tell you guys a little bit more about it later. Driving up to the house. There's Madre right there. The queen of the castle. There's Kevin right there. Trying to get out of this car. Hey Kevin. Oh, go on. You good? Oh, you know the elbow thing too?
Yeah, man, I saw that.
Really?
Video?
Yeah. That's Kevin from Canada. So just pick up Poppy Show real quick. That's my channel.
Yeah, there. Back for a crowd, you know?
Yep.
Yeah, man, Jude.
Yeah, man. For real.
That's your channel.
Yeah, Poppy Show.
Poppy Show.
Yeah.
Alright.
And that's my mom right here. Give me the elbow.
So yeah, live stream?
Yeah. What's up? This is my mother.
Oh boy.
And there's my blue-head brother over there. Mr. Taj Rush. Oh, go on. You good? Yeah, so show me that so long. Yeah? People, them are clean up the one thing. Oh, go on, Mums. Good? Brother Paul. That's Miss D right there. Setting set. Well, go on, Paul. It's been what? Like donkey years? Eh?
Long time.
Oh, man.
Long time.
It's been a minute. Yeah. You good though?
Nah, complain low.
Yep. Once there is life, right? Yep. For real, for real. For real. Tamar, Wagwan. Tamar. Wagwan. Now where you drink? Oh, where you say? I saw an Wagwan? Your bossy. Yeah. The place look nice though. Yeah guys, so Chapalin set up on this though. soon, go in. None of them take out my suit. No man, sit down man. I'm good. Hey, and the queen. How long have I seen your moms? 4 years? Man. Oh my God. We talk every day, but I haven't seen my mom in like 4 years. So this is like a reunion. You know? Although I see my sister yet, I don't know what she did in the house. But it feels so unreal. It feels so unreal, man. Like I just can't believe, you know, he's not here. Oh, this too shall pass. Yeah. But guys, up here is so cool though. Like as soon as you start entering in the country, man, it's so cool and just relaxing. Yeah, I'm a country girl for life. I love country living. Yeah. And up here, it's like just, as you can see, a lot of trees, all different kinds of fruit trees and stuff. It's just beautiful. Yeah. Tomorrow I'll probably go through them bushes. We used to go pick mangoes and go fetch water and stuff. I'm gonna try to see if I can go tomorrow in the morning. Maybe like just go for a little walk or something. Coconut tree up there. Yeah. Yep. Country life. All right, let me go see my sister right now. I don't know what she's in the house doing. Don't tell me she's sleeping. You're sleeping? Guys, that's my sister Tamika. Miss Queen Tamika.
Am I on video?
Yeah, I'm doing a vlog. Hi, Sissy. It's been so long.
With my sleepy face. Oh my gosh, they're gonna think this ain't real.
No, you look fine.
Okay, hi.
Guys,
Oh
it's
my
been a
gosh.
minute. Like I haven't seen my sister in like,
Probably 6-7 years.
yeah, about that or more. Because IJ's 7. I don't think I've seen you.
Of course.
After IJ?
I don't know AJ.
Exactly, and he's
For real?
7. Yeah, so it's
Oh,
been a
wow.
minute. It's been a minute, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Just
Yeah.
wake up. Tired out.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, whatever it is, man. Oh gosh.
Toya in person.
I couldn't wait up.
I see. I had stopped in Maple and got some KFC.
Oh my
I
gosh,
was
I
so
did that
hungry.
in Kingston. At least you got to Mapen.
Yeah. Yeah, they wanted to stop in Kingston, but I wanted to get out of Kingston. It's too hot.
That's a thing too. Like, I was so scared when they stopped in Kingston. I got a baked potato KFC, barbecue chicken.
Yeah, that's what I got, barbecue
Yeah.
chicken. But I got the 3-piece. It was too much though. So I ate 2.5.
Got a bucket.
Oh, okay.
And I was dishing out chicken.
Okay. Your hair looks cute.
Thank you.
Nice. All right, guys. See you later.
All right.